Welcome to Inhow. Hi everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive deep into the topic of productivity at work. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a full-time employee, we've got tips and tricks to help you get things done and achieve your goals. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but some people seem to accomplish so much more than others. The truth is, productivity is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. With the right strategies and mindset, you can be more productive and get more done in less time. 1. Set clear and specific goals. The first step to being productive at work is to set clear and specific goals. This will give you a sense of direction and purpose, and help you stay focused on what's important. When setting your goals, make sure they are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 2. Create a schedule and stick to it. Once you have your goals in place, it's time to create a schedule. Having a routine can help you stay on track and ensure that you're using your time wisely. You can use a calendar, planner, or a task management tool to schedule your day. Make sure to schedule time for breaks, lunch, and even leisure time. 3. Prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal, so it's important to focus on the most important ones first. Use the Eisenhower matrix to help you decide which tasks are urgent and which are not. Prioritizing your task will help you to be more efficient and to avoid procrastination. 4. Eliminate distractions. Whether it's your phone, social media, or chatty coworkers, distractions can seriously hinder your productivity. Find ways to limit or eliminate them as much as possible. You can use apps like Freedom, Cold Turkey, or Rescue Time to block distracting websites or apps. You can also use noise-canceling headphones to eliminate background noise. 5. Take regular breaks. It may sound counterintuitive, but taking short breaks can actually help you be more productive. Use the Pomodoro technique to time your work and breaks. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that involves working in 25-minute intervals, followed by 5-minute breaks. 6. Stay organized. Having a clean and organized workspace can help you stay focused and on top of your tasks. Take a few minutes at the end of each day to tidy up your workspace and make sure everything is in its place. 7. Take care of yourself. Being productive isn't just about getting things done, it's also about taking care of your physical and mental well-being. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, exercise, and healthy food. You should also try to reduce stress by doing activities you enjoy, such as reading, listening to music, or meditating. Remember, productivity is a journey, not a destination. By setting clear goals, creating a schedule, prioritizing your tasks, eliminating distractions, taking regular breaks, staying organized, and taking care of yourself, you can achieve more in less time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment with your own productivity tips and tricks. And we hope this video has been helpful and that you're ready to start maximizing your productivity at work.